Is she gonna wake up?
Yeah. Dad's gonna wake her up.
Dad's awake.
Get in front of the door. Mom, let me in. Mom. Open the door, Mom.
What the freak?
We surprised you.
Oh my gosh! Oh, this is a dream.
No, it's not a dream.
Oh my god. How did you do this?
Me and Dad.
Pretty easy. Actually, it wasn't. My flight got canceled this morning.
Yeah.
Supposed to be here.
Yeah, he was supposed to be here at noon.
Wow. You know, I woke up a while ago too, and I thought, man, I can't sleep. What's going on?
Oh, you woke up and you hit me.
Oh, yeah.
What's
Get
going on
in here.
here?